Hello everybody! Guess what today is? It's entry time. Okay, so you know I promised you guys a sunflower painting for my 4,000 subscriber giveaway. I am way over 4,000 now, about 4,000, I think 30. And we just got back from Washington, D.C. I am going to be putting together a vlog, you guys, but it may be 2 or 3 weeks because it's gonna take a while. But I thought I would go ahead, jump on here, and I am gonna leave this open until, let me think, today is Thursday. I would like to choose the winner by Monday, okay? And then I have one more giveaway and it's a surprise. So this is the sunflower painting giveaway. There's some limes in this bowl and just kind of loose painterly sunflowers. I hope you guys like it. I painted this last year, so I thought this would be a really good one to give away because it's nice and dry and we don't have to wait. I was working on another one and then I went through and found this one. I thought this is a nice painting, so I thought I would do this. Now, I'm gonna leave this contest open through the weekend, and Monday I will do an announcement on the community post, one last announcement to remind everyone to enter the giveaway. And we are going to draw for the winner Monday, let's say Monday night, 6 o'clock Central Time. I will draw for the winner. So if you want to win this sunflower giveaway by me, art by Yota, say sunflower, enter me. And don't just say enter me, say sunflower, enter me. Those will be the key words that will generate the winner. Sunflower, enter me. So I'm super excited, you guys, to give away one of my paintings. You guys seem really excited about it, and that makes me really happy. So I just decided, since it's 4,000 subscribers, we're gonna give away four gifts. So I will reveal the gift number 4 after this giveaway. So good luck to everyone. Go ahead and subscribe. You have to be a subscriber and say sunflower, enter me. Is that what I said earlier? Sunflower, enter me. Those are the key words. Sunflower, enter me. So I just want to wish everyone good luck, and we will find out Monday, 6 o'clock Central, who is going to win this painting. And I just want to say, you guys rock, really. You make me feel so loved. I really appreciate all of you. I appreciate my subscribers that I've had since day one. I appreciate all my new subscribers, and I have a lot of new subscribers, you guys. And you've already started writing to me and commenting to me, and I truly appreciate your support. So this is my way of giving back. I hope that you love it. Sunflower, enter me. Good luck, everybody.